Okay, you ready? So let's get you comfortable. The first thing I'm going to do is we're going to print some additional numbing drops for you, Jacob. So go ahead and open your eyes for me. Beautiful. And now to your left eye. Excellent, Jacob. Close your eyes. So let me just give you a little bit of an understanding of what the experience is going to be like, okay? I'm going to twist your head a tiny bit. It's a very comfortable process. The whole process goes by very quickly. The only thing I'm going to have you do is to find the green blinking light above you. Keep it in the center of your vision. When I tell you in perfect position, you don't have to make any adjustments even if the light feels like it moves at that point, okay? You're just in perfect position. I'll give you a countdown so you know exactly how to proceed. And it will give you a good sense of how you need to help yourself get through this very comfortably. The good news is that this is a very comfortable process, okay? It's more of a light show. This is the reason why we like all this fancy equipment, okay? Open your eyes for me, Jacob. Beautiful. Looking great. Let me help you out here. Awesome. Bear with me a second. You doing good, Jacob? Good. Look for the lights above you. During this process, I'll ask you not to speak. I'll be speaking to you. Just I want you to look towards the green flashing light that's just right above you. Excellent. You're in perfect position right there. Just hold that position. Keep on the green light. Beautiful, Jacob. Keep on the green light. Beautiful. Now you don't have to move even if the green light moves, okay? You're in great position. It only takes 11 seconds, and I'm going to count this down for you when we begin, okay? You're doing great, Jacob. 9 seconds remain. You're doing fantastic. In 7 seconds we'll be done. It'll become a little hazy right now. That's perfect. That's what's supposed to happen. 4 seconds remain. 2 more seconds remain. Beautiful. 1 more second. All right. Fantastic. You're doing great, Jacob. So let's prepare for the left eye. Let's have you close your eyes in a moment here. Keep them closed. Can you close your eyes for me? Beautiful, Jacob. Beautiful. I'm going to put a couple additional drops. Very nice. Keep your eyes closed. So Jacob, I'm going to twist your head at this point the other way slightly. There we go. And we put a few more drops and then we'll be ready to go, okay? Looking great. Open your right eye for me. Awesome. And now your left eye. Beautiful. Looking great, Jacob. Open your left eye for me. Great. Jacob, look for the lights above you. Beautiful. Now look for the green light again, just like you did earlier. Looking great, Jacob. Look for the green light. Beautiful. Looking fantastic. Keep it in the center of your vision. You are doing great, Jacob. Right there's awesome. Look at the green light. Beautiful, Jacob. Give me a second here. Here we go. Look at the green light. Let's make sure you're in perfect position before we proceed, okay? Look at the green light for me. Very nice, Jacob. You are doing great. Look at the green light. Look down a tiny bit, Jacob. Good. Hold that position. Don't move. Look down a little. Hold that position. Don't move. Look down a little bit for me. Hold that position. Beautiful, Jacob. Looks great. Again, only 11 seconds before we're done. So let me count this down for you. You are doing great, Jacob. Beautiful. 9 seconds remain. 7 seconds remain. Beautiful, Jacob. In 5 seconds we'll be done. In 3 seconds we'll be done. You are doing great. 1 more second remains, Jacob. Awesome. Fantastic. So Jacob, just so you know at this point, we're done with the first step, okay? And everything looks amazing. So we just have to complete the second stage, which will go by just as quickly. Open your left eye for me. This is the benefit of the all laser approach, okay? Looking great. Yep. And we're all good.
Step down, very good. Have a seat for me right here.
Fantastic.
Go up a little bit, just a couple more inches right there. Now keep your eyes closed for me.
You doing okay? You're looking great from my end, okay? Beautiful, Jacob. So we're going to print a couple more numbing drops for you. Open your eyes wide. Awesome. All right, Jacob. Lights down a little bit, please. -5, -14, -18. Perfect. Open your eyes for me. Blink, blink, blink. Beautiful. Looking great. Look for the lights above you, Jacob. Looking great. Look at the lights above you. Look for the green light above you, Jacob, just like we did earlier. Can you see the green light? Look directly at the lights above you. Let me show you the green light. Good. Keep your eyes on the green light, okay? Beautiful. Looking great. Excellent, Jacob. Look for the lights above you. Very nice. Look up towards me. Look up towards me, Jacob. Good. Lights down. Look for the green light. Awesome. Looks great. You are doing fantastic. Lights down. Excellent, Jacob. Keep on the green light. Beautiful. Yep. Yep. One. Good. Beautiful, Jacob.
16 seconds.
Looking fantastic, Jacob. Beautiful. 5 seconds remain, Jacob. You are doing great. Almost done. Awesome. You'll be excited to know that we're all done with the right eye. You did great. Keep on the green light for me. Look at the green light, Jacob. Beautiful. Keep looking at the green light for me. Very nice. Look at the green light. Beautiful, Jacob. Your right eye's all done. Look at the green light for me. Close your eyes. Open your left eye for me. Looking great. You doing okay? Mm-hmm. Fantastic. Open your left eye. Keep on the green light. Look at the green light for me. Beautiful, Jacob. You are doing phenomenal. Good, Jacob. Look at the green light. Beautiful. Excellent, Jacob. Look at the green light for me. Look at the green light for me, Jacob. Look up towards me. Good. Excellent. Look at the lights above you. Beautiful, Jacob. You are doing fantastic. Beautiful. Keep on the green light.
Ready? 13 seconds.
Beautiful, Jacob. This can go by very quickly as well. Keep on the green light.
10. 8 seconds remaining.
Good, Jacob. Just on the green light. Almost done.